Hello, it's Janine Manuel. I am going to show you guys today how to repair a weathered deck. Now, sometimes you have boards that are looking a little worn or has some cracks on the top side, but the good news is you don't have to replace every board with a brand new board. You can also flip the board, and on the back side, on the underside, it's perfectly fine and it'll last you a few more years, maybe even more. So my deck is about, about 17 years old. And I recently did a lot of work on it, flipping boards instead of buying a brand new, buying all new boards. So you can see this is only part of my deck. It actually wraps around the house on both sides. And then the back is really huge, which you won't be able to see because it's covered in snow. But I've already done most of the work, flipping boards and nailing them down. So what I want to show you is that you can take a weathered board and do the same thing. And I will show you right now, and I will flip the camera around so you can see the board, and hopefully not me if I can flip the camera around. I don't think I can. So here we go. This is me putting my phone on the stand so that you can see. So the first thing you want to do, besides try to pick a non-windy day, is to get a set of safety glasses. What you'll need are some good sturdy leather gloves, because we don't want to get splinters. We have to be safe. A very large size pry bar and a smaller pry bar or crowbar. You're going to use both to kind of get the boards up. Now my deck, when it was originally installed, was installed with nails. So it's a little bit easier than using screws, and I'll tell you why. After 17 years, trying to get those screws out without breaking them is extremely difficult. So I'm glad that it has nails. And when I put the board back in place, I'm going to put it back with nails. The right kind of nails should be ones, and you can see this is the screw. And every once in a while I'll try to tack them down with the screw and then just nail them in the rest of the way. But you want to get a screw that has little ridges on it, and I don't know if you can see that guy, but it has little ridges on it so that it stays in place better. And I believe these are coated nails. They're Teflon coated. So first things first, we have to get the old board up. And if you can find any space, and I'm going to take my sunglasses off, if you can find any space or gaps between your board, then that is the best. And what you want to do is to get that crowbar in there, and without damaging your board, pry it up a little bit at a time. So you can hear my nails popped on this side. And what I'm going to do is try to work my way down and pop up a few more nails without breaking the board. Do not break the board because you can't reuse it. And the reason why you have two is because it comes in handy. You can use one to pull up the board and then the other one to try to pry the nails up. There we go. That's the sound I want to hear. So after you get the nails up, what you're going to want to do is to hammer out the old nails that are in place right now. So that's what I'm doing. I hammer these guys down. and then pull the nails out. And make sure that you keep the nails, the old nails, so that no one steps on them. I usually have a bucket next to me, but right now I don't have a bucket. Alright, so that was easy as pie. So now you can see this is the old side, and I'll put it in the sunlight. This is the underside, which looks surprisingly like a brand new board. Isn't it lovely? So all we have to do after we get all the nails out of the deck is flip this guy over and nail it back in place. And actually, since there is some construction trash down there, I'm going to safely place my nails on the ground underneath. One, nobody goes down there and it'll be out of the way. I don't want anyone stepping on nails. So what we do is we flip the board over, put it back in place, take our new nails, which I happen to have a handy dandy bag full of nails here, and then hammer them into place. So for the cost of and I won't bore you with the nailing part. So for the cost of just new nails, you actually have a brand new deck board. Woo, it's lovely. So that is what you can do, my friends, to fix up your old deck and make it look brand new. The benefits is, one, you save trees, save waste, and then two, you don't have to let the board weather a long time like you would if you bought a brand new pine board. So that is all, folks. That is what you can do to repair your deck. Easy, easy, easy. If you want to use screws, but like I said, I prefer nails. It just makes life easier in the long run. Talk to you later. Bye.